Hey everyone, this is Brian from How3. Got a pretty fun demo today, trying to start to test what a potential AI companion will look like, which is going to be the heart of our How3 application. So one of the first things, just to give some context here, is that we want the AI agent to reduce administrative burden, to help patients and caregivers do as much of that work and automate it as much as possible. And one example of this is a AI administrative agent that can help fill out forms by first looking through the fields that are required and then seeing what's actually already known about the patient that's in our database, and then just prompting for the missing information, and then they'll go ahead and fill out that piece out and then get it routed where it needs to go. So this is the very first version of that. What I would eventually like to morph this to is to some real-time kind of voice-to-voice kind of interaction, but it probably is way too cost prohibitive for someone like myself to scale that without some sort of funding. So that's probably out of the picture right now. But eventually that might be somewhere that we would really like to go. For now, this is just going to be a basic, I talk to it and it can respond by text. So I'm currently in the local environment. This is going to be my dad, Derek Lynn. This is obviously all fake data. With this birth date, this age, and sex at birth, we don't know anything about the address. And then we have a form that's wired up right now that it's just basically collecting date of birth, name, and address. So we would expect that the agent will know this information because it's in our database and will prompt us for the address. So I have a page here that I'm testing, and then we're going to get started. My mic is going to be through the iPhone. Hi, my name is Brian. I'm trying to help my dad, Derek Lynn, fill out a form. Can you help me with that? Let's see what it says. Okay, so this is a transcript of what I said, and then this is what they are replying with. I can help you with that. I have Derek's name as Derek Lynn, his date of birth as January 1st, 1933. Could you please provide his current address? Yes, I certainly can. Yes, I certainly can. His address is 123 Testing Street in Rochester, Minnesota. The zip code is 55902. Okay, thank you so far. Is that all? Is that all the information you provide? So at this point, it should be done, but this is just to demo an example of what it looks like. And assuming everything is good, everything looks correct, it'll fill that out, get it populated in our database so it doesn't have to ask in the future, and then get it routed to the provider or the federal agency that needs it. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions. I'm pretty excited for where this is going to go. Lots of pretty interesting opportunities there. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.